Hello everyone, this is Balaji. I welcome you for Matlab tutorial series. In this series of videos, we're going to discuss how to use Matlab and how to use various tools in Matlab. We're going to discuss. For that, we go to I have a Matlab R2018B Matlab version. I have installed and I have in my desktop. I can open it. Matlab is matrix lab. It is all the functions are done using matrix, so it is called as matrix lab. Normally, this is the open window of your Matlab 2018 B version. So here, top of this, we can see home tab and plot tab and app tab. So first of all, home tab. Before that, we can see the window. What are the windows with ads? So it has. We can see in home tab. We can see that layout. We have various layout. We can see. We are normally in default. This is the layout of your Matlab window. Here we have current folder. It is your current folder location. C drive user. This is your location of current matrix laboratory. Matlab current folder. Here we can see which of the files we have in this current folder. In this place we can see your current folder location, and we can type your command in command window. Here in this window we can type your command, and here detail we can see your history of coding. We can see in this window, and here in workspace what are the variables, what are the everything will be in present in this workspace window. So this is the main default window in Matlab. Example, I will type small code. So I will take that here we can type your code in command window. So we can type a equal to 5. So here a is variable and 6 is value. So we can enter a equal to 6. Here C and workspace we getting one matrix. We can click that. In I click that, we can see that it is shown in matrix window. Here one cross one cell will be taken. So one cross one variable. So here I will close it. So I will type a equal to 6 and b equal to 10. So here b variable also created in workspace, and I will type the c equal to a plus b. You will enter. So we getting 16. 6 a is 6 and b is 10. So we getting 16 as output c. So we can see in workspace itself we have all the variables and values in matrix form. So here we want to clear the workspace, means we can use clear keyword. So we have to enter, the workspace will be get cleared. So we want to clear the command window, means we have to type CLC. CLC means we have to type enter. We can clear the workspace, clear the command window. So likewise we can use your Matlab for typing the program. In plot we can see various plot. If we can use in upcoming videos, we can see various plots, how to draw plots in Matlab. That will be we can discuss in upcoming videos. And apps means already it has predefined apps. In a lot of apps we have predefined apps. Various application we can use various apps for coding the program and running the tool for Matlab. So we can discuss the upcoming video how to use Matlab, and various examples we can see. Already we have predefined Matlab examples also we have in inbuilt in the Matlab itself. That's also we can see in upcoming videos. So this is our introduction video about your Matlab. So thank you for watching. For more videos, we can subscribe my channel. We can get notification. Thank you for watching.